Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the X app, open it and go straight to the Photos or Gallery tab. Once there, make sure you're signed into the correct account so you delete the intended images. You should also confirm storage permission. Without it, the app can't remove files. Now find the album or timeline where the target photo's live and get ready to select your pass setup and starting the action immediately so the rest is faster. You now choose what to remove. Tap and hold on one image to enter multi-select mode, then tap others or drag to select a range. Use filters or the search bar to isolate certain dates, people, or file types. This reduces mistakes. Preview every selected photo so you won't delete a keeper by accident. Once selections look correct, locate the trash or delete icon in the toolbar. You're ready to execute the removal step with confidence and clarity. Tap delete and follow any confirmation prompts. Some apps move items to a trash or bin for 30 days before permanent removal, so make sure you empty that if you want immediate space freed. Once you empty trash, the photos are permanently gone and storage is reclaimed. If deletion fails, check app permissions, ensure syncing with cloud is complete, retry with a network connection off if needed, or clear the app cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.